guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brenda and welcome. So for today's video, I'm currently standing in my room and this is like my work room slash film room slash closet. And I'm currently standing here today because, as you guys can see in the title, today I'm going to be decluttering my whole closet. And I've been meaning to do this for quite some time because I have almost been living here for a year already. I moved in February of 2020, so it's gonna be almost a year, and my closet pretty much looks the same since I moved in. So my closet is actually right behind me. It is right behind these doors, and this closet is basically all of my clothes. Lorenzo has his own room. Technically it's our bedroom, but it's pretty much his room because he has all of his stuff there. He has his bathroom, his closet, everything is pretty much in there. I just sleep there. So yeah, in this room I take control of everything that I do. I also work in here, I take clients here and everything. But what I was saying is my closet is right behind me, and I'm gonna go ahead and declutter and get rid of a lot of things that just don't spark happiness in me anymore. I have so much clothes, guys. You guys have no idea how much clothes I have. And actually right in front of me, you guys can't see, but right in front of me, I have 3 garbage bags full of clothes that I meant to get rid of last year, but I never got rid of them. So I put them in garbage bags and they've been there ever since. So I also want to go through those clothes again and see what I can either sell, what I can donate, or what I can just throw away, because a lot of clothes probably isn't, you know, worth selling or donating. So I definitely want to go through that. I also want to add more clothes to that. I know it's a new year and I want to start the new year fresh. I want to start clean, and I want to start the right way by getting rid of a lot of things that just don't bring happiness to me anymore, things that are just taking up space, things that I just don't need. So what better way than to start the new year? So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what my closet is looking like at the moment. So I'm gonna slide this over, and as you can see, it's pretty messy. I have a lot of clothes here, and on the bottom I have like shoes everywhere. You guys can't probably see, but I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. I have a bag of shoes that I had when I moved out from my previous apartment, and I want to go ahead and go through it and also get rid of those shoes, because literally it's shoes that I've been having for about 3-4 years, and half of those shoes I have not even worn. So yeah, that is what that side looks like. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys what this side looks like. As you can see, it's more clothes that just needs to be organized. I'm at the point where I don't even have space for clothes on top of the rods that I hang it up on a hanger, if that makes sense. So that definitely shouldn't be there. So I definitely want to make a room for clothes, for new clothes, for old clothes and stuff. So yeah, these are most of my tops. Down here I also have so much more stuff. If you guys know me, you know that I love shopping and I just spend so much money on clothes. Half of the things still have tags on them. Like, I don't know what is wrong with me. I just don't wear half of the things. So that is why I'm doing this today, because I just need to let go. I need to let go of a lot of things. I just need a fresh start, maybe bring in fresh clothes, a fresh new wardrobe. To be honest with you guys, I haven't bought a lot of clothes lately, and I'm glad, because I just want to have a fresh start by getting rid of a lot of clothes before I bring in new clothes. So let me show you guys what I'm working with. Okay, so here's my closet overall. As you can see down there, there's so many shoes that I just need to get rid of and I just need to take out so I can organize them. So right here, this clothing rod is full with nothing but 2-piece sets. These are all the 2-piece sets that I have. Well, not all of them. Majority of them are in there. And then right up here, I have all of my tops. It goes from crop tops to bodysuits to like long sleeve tops. All of the above are right here. And if you guys look right up there, I have these baskets full of stuff. Majority of it is purses, hats, gloves. So we're gonna go ahead and open the other side. So for this side, the majority is dresses. It's pretty much all over the place, to be honest with you guys. I have dresses. I also have a few 2-piece sets in here, but the majority is dresses. And then up here, I have my designer purses. The majority of them are still in bags or in their little dust bag, as you can see. And then on the bottom, this is the mess that I am talking to you guys about. It is so horrible. I definitely need to do something about it. There's just a big bag of shoes that needs to come out. I'm just gonna pull it out. I literally don't know why I stuffed it in here. Wow. Wow, can you guys see how unorganized and how crazy this looks right now? I am so embarrassed for myself, but I literally did not know what to do with this bag of shoes, and I stuffed it under here, and I'm so ready to get rid of all of these shoes, or majority of them. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take out everything from the closet. I'm gonna start off with taking out all of the shoes, and then I'm gonna take out all of the dresses, all of the tops, all of the two-piece sets, and just go from there. See what I want, see what I don't want. Everything is going to be on a hanger, so it should be pretty easy for me to put back into the closet. So yeah, let's go ahead, get started. I feel like I'm going to take quite some time with this, but I am so ready. So as you guys can see, all the shoes are out. These were literally stuffed in the closet, scattered all over the place, and the closet is now completely empty. There's nothing on the floor. What I'm gonna do right now is just sweep the closet floor, because I'm pretty sure there's like dust and little crumbs and garbage in there. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna proceed by taking out the rest of the clothes from the closet. So all the tops are now out, and I just set them on the side. And I think I'm gonna go by section, so I'm gonna start off with the tops first. I was thinking of just taking everything all out at once, but if I do that, then I'll just have clothes scattered on the side, and it'll probably be a huge mess. So all the tops that I have on the side, I'm just gonna go through them, see what I like, see what I don't like, and that way I'll just go ahead and start, you know, hanging them back up. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. As you guys can see, all the tops are now organized, and I am so happy with how it turned out. There's just so much space with how everything looks. So basically I did it from spaghetti straps all the way down to long sleeve shirts. So the long sleeves are back there, but I just love how organized it looks. I just think it looks so much better now versus how it did before. Here's a pile of clothes that I took out from the closet, and that's nothing but tops. I'm going to see what I actually want and what I don't want, but I can't believe all of those tops were hung up in there in that rod. I don't even know how they fit. It's pretty much all full up here, so I don't even know how I did it with all the other clothes to fit. So yeah, the tops are now done. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the bottom right here, and the bottom right here is most of my two-piece sets, so let's get started with that. officially done with the sets now. As you guys can see, I still have a lot of sets. I'm not gonna lie, it was very hard for me to get rid of sets just because I love two-piece sets so much and I just have so many of them. So this is still pretty full, but I did get rid of a few that are over there. I know it's so messy, but yeah, that's how it's looking like so far. I'm obsessed with how the tops turn out, and this is the set. So now we're gonna move on to this side of the closet, and this is probably gonna be a little hard as well. These are all the dresses. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. So I just took out all of the dresses and it is completely empty, and oh my god, do I have so many dresses than I actually thought I did. There's literally so many dresses. But yeah, all the dresses are out. I took out the purses and the dust bags as well. There's still more up there, but I'm gonna fix that as I go. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, put back the dresses in there. I'm gonna go through them and see which ones I want and see which ones I don't want, and yeah, this is gonna take a while. I wanna say it's been like 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours since I started. I kind of figured it would be this long just because there's so much clothes and I'm just going through everything. So yeah, let's keep it going. Okay guys, so all the dresses are done, and honestly I had such a hard time getting rid of dresses too because I just have so many dresses that I still have not worn and that I really do love. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's still pretty full. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my purses up. I decided that I'm just gonna keep the setup that I had before. So I normally keep all of my purses in their bags and in their dust bag. I just love how designer bags like this look like, and I just like to have them for display. I think they just look so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set them up. I have my Prada bag right there, and then my big Chanel baby. I'm gonna put her right here as well. So I just put the purses up and that is what it looks like. Most of the purses are in dust bags and stuff. I have more purses, but I keep them out. I have a Louis Vuitton box right there with the purse in there, and then I have a few other ones in my other room. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far, guys. If you ask me, I think it looks very good compared to how it looked at first. Although I still have to finish up the shoes, I think I'm gonna do that very quickly. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of shoes. So I just want to show you guys overall how everything looks. I'm very satisfied with the outcome. I had so much clothes that I just got rid of. Although this is embarrassing, I'm gonna show you guys the mess that I have right now. So this is all the clothes that I'm going to either get rid of, sell, donate, or just throw away. And guys, look at the mess over here. Can you believe all those hangers? I literally just got rid of so much clothes. So those are empty hangers. And then I have all of the shoes over here. And remember how I told you guys I had trash bags? Well, yeah, those are trash bags full of even more clothes that I need to get rid of. But yeah, this is a complete mess. So I'm gonna go through that bag that is full of shoes, and I'm gonna see what I don't want and what I do want, and I'm gonna try to fix them up in the closet. I don't want to stuff them in there anymore, so I'm gonna try to figure out a way to organize them. And yeah, I will catch up with you guys when everything is all done. Okay guys, so I can finally officially say that I am done cleaning the closet. It was such a hassle, I'm not gonna lie. It literally took about 5 hours to clean the whole entire closet, but I did it and I'm so proud of myself, and I just want to show you guys how it looks because I am So proud of how organized and neat everything looks. Also, I did forget to mention that I do have 2 other closets. So I have one closet that is full of sweaters and 2-piece lounge sets. And then there's another closet that is full of nothing but jackets, mine and Lorenzo's jackets. It's kind of like a winter closet. So yeah, those closets are downstairs. So this is the clothes that I actually wear like on a daily basis and like my everyday wear. So let me just show you guys everything. So as you guys seen, all the dresses are right here. Down there I ended up just putting some shoes. The rest of the shoes are stacked in my other closet, and that little container right there has nothing but sandals. But yeah, that's what all the shoes look like. And then if you look up here, here are all my purses. There's more purses up there, and then up there those are shoes that have their boxes. So let me just slide this over so you guys can see a little better. So up there are all my shoes in their box, and then I have those 2 containers there that had purses and hats and gloves and all that stuff. And then as you guys see, those are the shirts, and those are the 2-piece sets, guys. And that is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope this video inspired you to declutter your closet and just get rid of unnecessary things that you don't need. It's a new year. Get rid of stuff, start new, and start fresh. It's literally the best way to do it. So I hope this inspired you guys, and I hope you guys get to cleaning and get to organizing. It's such a good feeling. I promise if you guys do it, it will make you feel just so much better, and you'll feel like this weight off your shoulder, this like relief. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.